Let's move on to something called as rapid fire. I call it rapid fire.
Rapid fire. बढिया.
So shall we start?
Start.
Okay. All right, rapid fire round with our waking brand. Are you all set?
Yeah.
Okay. Start. सरकाराची टिका कोता तेन्ना तुज्या तोंडाक पयलें उतर खंयचें येता?
I can't say that here.
ओके. तुज्या बॉल्सान फोना शिवाय आनी कितें आसा तें दाखय.
Sanitizer.
You still wrong with it?
मागीर मोरपा आतां.
ओके. तुवें निमाणें सोंपोन खंयचें पयलेलें?
That also I can't disclose.
Okay, are you married?
No.
Confused?
No, येयल्या talk something.
Okay, जेन्ना तूं न्हिदलेलो आसता, which is the best time to wake you up?
Maybe before noon.
Okay. ताच्या before noon. Okay. What do you do to have fun?
I be alone.
Okay. तुज्या सगळ्यान आवडीची भुरग्यापणांतली इंजरी खंयची?
Injury? एकदां पडलेले आमी सायकलीन आनी हांवें फुडल्यान आहलो म्हणजे ट्रिपल आहलो फाटल्यान फुडल्यान तो आमी पडले अशे पूण हिणी मचून तो पळय म्हणजे हांव म्हाज्या पांय लांब न्हू पांय लांब पडटा आनी तेंगे पयलीं रोखी घातली
Alright. Okay. What was the most embarrassing moment you've experienced with your parents?
एम्बेरसिंग कितें आसतलो ती म्हाज्या पळयतली न्हू शो
Okay. Alright. Okay. Do you want to be a politician ever?
ना because that is 24/7 you have to be for the service of people and I'm not capable of doing that. My limitations.
Okay. असली खंयची वस्त आसा जी तुका चड इरिटेट करता, तकली पिड्यार करून घालता?
News.
News. Okay. If you could talk in your sleep, what would you say?
हांव बेकार आसा 2 वर्सां जालीं गोरवां राखूंक सुद्दां दवरी नाकोंक आली नुस्तें गोरोवंक गेल्यार हांव कचरो काडी एकदां पयशांक लागून नाकान घातली साडी पूण म्हारगाय म्हाका आतां सोंसना जाली लोक घालता गाडी उदारी करून करून आमी सोंपले जाणां केन्ना आतां काम मेळटलें आतां पडली पाग आतां लायता जाग नाल जाल्या म्हारग आतां लायता माग ते फाट्टा म्हटल्यार टायम वयतलो आनी नाल विकूंक बाजारांक कोंग वयतलो देखून बेकार आसा म्हणून आमकां लागीं कोंग घेयना आनी कोंगांक लग्नार हायर करपाक बोल्सान आमच्या कांय ना
येद्दे व्हडले म्हणून. Okay. Alright. Okay. Good. तुज्या आवडीचो कार्टून कॅरेक्टर खंयचो?
Captain Planet, he's the hero. And that type of cartoon is needed right now. त्या कार्टुनाक हे सगळे कॅपिटलिस्ट पॉलिटिक्स व विलन्स आतां ते देव जावन पडले आनी सरकार तेच चलयता
Alright. Okay. Last but not the least, phone a friend.
आनी बेश्टो मार फोन एकल्याचो आमचो इंजरी जालो तेका मारता फोन तो एकलो घरा आसतलो न्हू बेकार
कितें नांव तेजें?
महादेव एलायस रोहित मोरजकार ते ट्रक मारलेले आली दे से एवरीथिंग रोग एक्सिडेंट सेम आमची गरीब पंचायत स्पीक ब्रेकर सुद्दां ना ते स्पिकरार धरूं
होय. You can just tell you in the studio.
ओके सांगता पयलीं न्हू हॅलो हॅलो आयक रे हांव प्रोगंडाच्या स्टुडियोना म्हाका फोन मारपा लायला तुका आनी खबर आरे पाट पडलेले आयक प्रोगंडाच्या स्टुडियोना आनी हांगा फोन मारपा लायल्लो तुका तुजो खबर घेवपाक फोन मारलो सगळ्या लोकां फुडें घट मरे तूं हय हांव सारको ना तें म्हणटात रे म्हाका पूण तूं लोकां फुडें लच करना सारको उलय रे घट मरे तूं हात बी आहा मरे ओके आनी बरें बरें देव बरें करूं चल
Alright. That was so nice. आणि रिस्क घेऊन Alright. Last. तू सगळ्यान कित्याक worst आसा?
worst
What are your worst?
to be brutally honest I guess because honesty isn't the best policy right now
Right. And सगळ्यान best कित्याक ना?
maybe in pretending also
Alright, well played. Alright, we are moving on to Kabir now. Are you scared with the phone call?
Shit, तेगे चोन मात हांव भिलो.
Okay. Kabir, do you have a middle name?
No.
No? Okay. जेन्ना तूं तुज्या फुड्यांत लोक गार्बेज रस्त्यार उडयता तेन्ना तुका थंगा कितें म्हणून दिसता?
पळय तेन्ना म्हाका राग येता पूण कितें दे आर सिटिझन्स एनीवे सो आय एम ऑलवेज पोलायट विथ देम बरे भाशेन केन्ना तकली फिरल जाल्यार मागीर कितें जाता.
Okay, alright. What would you do if a wild goose started chasing you?
I just stop and look at him, stare in his eyes.
Okay. Can you remember the most fun time you've had?
Yeah,
What
in
was
my
it?
backyard. I
Okay.
always have fun there.
What were you doing there?
Cooking.
Okay. Which is the most funniest prank played on you or played by you?
Played on me, I can tell you.
What was it?
I was in my cabin and all my friends brought me out of my of the bathroom, stripped me off only with my underwear and put me out of the cabin.
Was that a prank?
Brutal one.
Okay. If you had to change your name, what would you change into?
Nah, I'm very happy with my name.
Okay. If you get a chance to be a minister, which portfolio you'll grab first?
Oh my God, this is a very tough question. I would straight away grab for environmental minister.
Okay. What do you like, cricketer or commentator?
Cricketer.
Okay. पावसाचो तेंप लागीं पावलो.
Mhm.
ओके. म्हणटच तुवें पुरुमेंत कसो जावं कितें हाडून दवरला पुरुमेंत?
म्हाका स्टार्ट करूंक जाय.
कितें?
हातून स्टार्ट केलां मागीर चोदा मोल करप आनी सांबाळ आनी तशें सगळें तुगेले पारो बीन कोन्न दवरप.
What about that कुंडीज and all?
कोणी जर केला आहे न्हू
Mhm.
चोयलां तें रेडी आहाय म्हगेली 3 कोंडी आहात म्हगेले.
Okay. Okay. Can you spell me?
आनी
Me.
Huh?
Me.
you CNDIDA Candida CNDITA
D.
DA.
Right.
Okay, good.
Okay. What is the strangest thing you have ever eaten?
Whale meat.
Whale. How does it taste?
It is, I would say it is like a 20-time concentrated taste of a fish.
Amit, can I try kotala? Okay. What is the most interesting thing you have in your purse or wallet right now?
Nothing interesting, but I have only the pictures of my family.
Pictures. Okay. When you dance, you look like.
Like an injured man.
Oh, you don't know to dance.
I'm very bad at dancing. That's
All
the
right.
worst.
Okay. Well played, both of you guys.